Hello everyone, my name is Avilash and I am from Balangir, Western Odisha. Western Odisha has its own charm and rhythm. At one moment you are in a bustling town and just traveling a little more distance into the mountains, you are completely out of it all. Today we are at a very beautiful place called Patali Shri Kshetra, which is not only loaded with natural beauty but also it's famous for its own historical significance. Let us talk a little bit about the historical significance of this place. Being in Odia, we are very proud that the Lord of the Universe, Lord Jagannath, belongs to our Odia culture. But how many of you know that the triad Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Sister Subhadra were exiled at various regions of Odisha? The attack of the iconoclast Raktabahu, invasion of Kalapahad, the wooden idols were buried at different places multiple times. They say that the temple is just a building without the residing deities. Once a building is destroyed, it can be repaired. But once the images are destroyed, the temple is said to be destroyed. The emotions of the people is said to be destroyed. Knowing this, Govinda III, alias Raktabahu, approached Puri with his army through the sea. The king of Odisha fled from the city with the images of Lord Jagannath and his associates lodged in a cart. Now the story of Raktabahu is extremely controversial. The images then reached in western frontier of Sonpur and buried at a place known as Gopali. After 144 years, Jajati Keshari or second Indradumna, he got the images dug out, and by the time the images were completely degraded, so he built a new temple in Puri, created new images and enshrined them there, and that's how the Navakalebara or the divine death culture started, which is a world famous festival, and people of different corners, people from different corners of the world come here to worship, and that's the story behind this. And right now we are reaching there, and the three of the deities are worshipped there. The identification of the proper cave where exactly the Lord were present is still going on, and I think it's need the government intervention for the proper identification of the cave. But we are on the way to the cave right now, and so as we explore the cave, do you know the benefits of trekking? Now it's known to us that nature has a big impact on a mental state, and it has been known to us for tens and thousands of years. While trekking, we have nothing to distract us. It's just us and nature. We are constantly surrounded by the positive imagery of nature. We are seeing at mountains, valleys, grasslands, meadows, jungles, and this is a constant positive imagery which is always around us, that removes negative thoughts of our mind. Not only negative thoughts, any kind of thoughts. And this has a miraculous impact on our mind. As Patali Shri Kshetra is a scenic place and full of greenery everywhere, and it is an intermediate level track, I strongly recommend the people around to come and visit this place and have a positive and a spiritual impact on their mind.